All right, let's make some cell activator. Got my scale, it's a little cup, stir sticks, using Amsterdam Oxide Black, Liquitex Turquoise Blue. These are both opaque colors. Afterwards, I'll put it in these little squirt bottles. I like to use those. We're going to be using Australian Floetrol. Okay, you make sure you shake it really well. This has already been shaken. So we are going to do 3 parts Australian Floetrol, 1 part paint. So let's do the turquoise first. Turn on your scale, get it to grams. Okay, that's 10 grams. So I will do 30 of the Floetrol, the Australian Floetrol. Easy peasy. There we go. Now there was a time when I got a bottle of this and it was like super thin, and it was just like there was something wrong. It was not normal. So I ended up having to use a lot less this, but usually this is just all perfectly fine. All right, well, let's mix this up. I like the black cell activator the best. And I've experimented a couple times with teal and turquoise and blue, and I really love that too. And I use white. I've used gold. You'll have to find what you really like best. I think I like black the best of all. Make sure you scrape the sides really good. It runs nice and smoothly off the stick. Can you see that? Okay, let's make up some black. Once again, this is Amsterdam Oxide Black. Let's do in 10 grams. Now you can do as much as you want. Oh, that's 11, okay. So we'll do 33 grams of the Australian Floetrol. Makes beautiful cells. Now, since I forgot to set it to 0 again, I just added the 11 with the 33, and so I'm at 44, which is perfect. And again, you stir, stir, stir. That's it. Easy, huh? Now, our next recipe, I'll clear all this off, and we will, can you see? I'm not sure how well you can see from up there. We'll make a recipe, we'll clear this off, and then we'll do a recipe that uses no Australian Floetrol, but some other ingredients. Okay, there you go. See you in a bit. Beautiful color. All right, we're back. We are going to do a new recipe for your cell activator that does not use the Australian Floetrol. Maybe you can't get it, it's very expensive. There is an alternative. So here we have glue all. You don't have to buy such a big container. It comes in small ones. Elmer's glue all, not just Elmer's glue, Elmer's glue all, okay? We're gonna do 1 part of that. Here is Floetrol. I put it in this good old Flo. I put her in a bottle to make it easier. We're gonna do 2 parts Flo. 1 part glue all, 2 parts Floetrol. I'm going to be using Oxide Black again from Amsterdam. 1 part of this. And then we are going to add, this is Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner. 3 drops. That's all, just 3 drops. All right, let's open her up. She's very stinky, very stinky. All right, let's get our scale. Turn it on. All right, let's do 1 part of the glue all. Let's see what we're gonna get to. Let's see, good, you can do 10. Woo, that went so fast. That's 19, that's 20. Okay, we'll do 20. So for the Floetrol, we'll do 2 parts, so we'll do 40. Don't forget, clear it out, or you'll end up doing the math. 33, 34. That went to 45. See, it is so easy to go over, but I'm really not worried about that. Okay, let's do 3 drops. Let's put 4 drops in since we did go a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not much, right? No. All right, I cleared it out. Now I'm gonna do 1 part, which we did 20 grams. I'm gonna do with paint. We're using the Oxide Black from Amsterdam. We're at 14, 17, 18, 20. All right. And let's stir it all up. So this is an alternative to the expensive Australian Floetrol. I can already see on the side of the cup cells being made. So you're gonna stir, stir, stir. Oh, it's a nice consistency. Yeah, it runs nice and smooth off the stick. And I'll put it in one of my little squeezy bottles. I love those bottles. I get them from, well, I've got them several different places. 99-cent store. Well, it's $1.25 now, of course. Prices these days. And I've also gotten them online. See you in the next lesson.